mountain bike YouTube starter pack. Let's get it. What's up, gadgeteers? My name is Hector and this is Gadget Beard, and on this channel I unbox and review everyday tech, gadgets, and accessories for you. And in today's video we have the GoPro Hero 9 Black. Bought this because I recently started mountain biking, hence me looking all banged up like I do because I took a spill in fall. But I originally planned to pick this up so I can strap it to my chest, record myself mountain biking, and possibly starting a YouTube mountain bike channel with my son. But all that came to a halt because now I gotta get surgery on my collarbone. But we will continue and we will be back again. So I did pick up the Hero 9 for 350 bucks, I believe, from GoPro website themselves. I thought it was a good deal. So 350 bucks, you got like this kind of bundle deal. You got an SD card along with it, and I also picked up the sports kit, and now this one was on sale as well. I think this one was like $50 for this whole kit. You got the chest plate and you do got the handlebars camera holder there, so perfect combination. I think for both the camera and the sports kit was about 400 bucks altogether, which is not a bad deal. So without further ado, let's go ahead and unbox this GoPro Hero 9. And it comes in this nice carrying case here. But some of the features this offers, you need to go get the GoPro app. It's a must. But some of the features it offers, it's a 20 megapixel camera. It does 5K at 30 frames per second, 4K at 60, and 1080p at 240 frames per second. So you're gonna get that ultra smooth slow motion. Oh yeah. It's waterproof, up to 33 feet. It's voice control. It has 8 times slow motion. Data overlays. So this is like if you like on the mountain bike, if I'm mountain biking and want to see how fast I'm going, you can put the overlay on the video when you do it on YouTube or something like that. You'll get the data overlays there as well. Time warp. You can now live stream at 1080p. So if I want to go live, I can use my GoPro camera to go live, which I never do. Which let me know down in the comment section below if you like to see me live stream. I've never actually live streamed before on this channel, but if you like to see it, let me know down in the comment section below. It does have Super Photo HDR, RAW. You can use it as a webcam as well, and it is a touchscreen, and it does have the stabilization Hyper Smooth 3.0. So without all that being said, what do we get for 350 bucks? You get this very nice carrying case. Nice. USB to Type-C charging cable. Nice. The brand new battery. Nice. The GoPro 9 itself. Nice. And you got these mount kits here, so if you want to put this on a helmet, you can go ahead and remove that adhesive, put it on the helmet, and then slip your GoPro bracket. I think it goes this way. Just kind of go. Oh, you got to remove this rubber thing like this, slip it in, squeeze it, bam, it's locked in there. Place that, and you put this through and put your GoPro here, and voila. I'm pretty sure if you're familiar with GoPros, you've seen multiple of these in there. And what else is in there? This little pouch here has little mesh, so you can put other accessories in there if you like. Make sure you subscribe to GoPro there. You have how to download the app for any updates or anything like that. Install the battery, how to charge it, how to power it on, how to camera to video, and I just explained the whole mounting situation there. And you got stickers, GoPro stickers, yay! GoPro stickers, yay! So I'm gonna go ahead and remove this plastic. Feels nice and solid without the battery. Now this is your mount here. Boom, if you haven't seen it, this is the mount for your GoPro, and they kind of fold down if you don't need to use them. If you need to use them, you kind of just pull them up and voila, boom, easy money. And if they do break, they do have screws there, so you can replace the mount. You see the screws there, so if they break, it's replaceable. No there. The screen's on the back. Here's the door. You kind of have like this little tab, I believe, that kind of, if I'm not mistaken, should lift up. There you go. You lift up and it comes out. Oh, that's new. So push, press down, lift up, lift, and you see everything exposed. That's where the memory card goes there. And I did get a memory card. It's somewhere in here. Let's go ahead and place the battery in, and I believe it goes in this way. I'm assuming it goes in this way. Yeah, bam, it's in there right there. Let me go ahead and get the memory card it came with. Bam, there's a little memory card it came with. It's a 32 gigabytes. And now for me to get this out. Uh-oh. I'll use my knife to get this little bad boy out. All right. That's out of the way. Let's go ahead and insert the memory card. That's in there, kind of. So the battery's in there. The memory card goes there. Kind of squeeze down and then press down. Kind of locks it in place, I'm assuming. You just push in hard and it actually locks itself. Bam, look at that. GoPro Hero 9. It's looking good. Let's see, what mode are we in? We gotta, oh no, kind of set it up. English. Agree. And now you have to bring in the GoPro app. So let me grab my lovely Pixel. And I have the GoPro app already installed. So I don't need to take a tour. Let's go to cameras. Wi-Fi required. Turn Wi-Fi on. Boom, done. And we're gonna set up a new camera. So we're gonna add a new camera. And what this is gonna do is start searching. So it's gonna start searching for my new camera, and you see it right there, GoPro Hero 9, connect, pair and connect, pair, boom, and we're on and running. So we got it going on now. So right off the back, this looks pretty cool. 1080 standard. Let's put this and put Hero 9, so I know this is my 9. GoPro Hero 9 saved. And let's go. Control your GoPro. So if you're gonna have any updates or anything, the app itself is gonna let you know about the updates. So I can control my GoPro from here if I like. Obviously you've known that, but if you're new to GoPro, you can kind of do it through the phone here. So enabled preview, got it. So you can kind of set your GoPro up, say you're setting it up and you want to record yourself making jumps like I would be doing. So you connect to the device, and now I can see what my GoPro sees here on my phone. I can hit record, picture, time lapse, or anything like that, which is a nice function to have. Let's go back out of here. Let's go back to the camera and see if you have any updates. Actually, I got about 20% battery. That's about it. That's not good. Let's go see. So you got your settings here. So you got all your settings here. SD capabilities. You can delete files and everything. So we'll do that later. So I'm assuming, yep, if there was an update, it would automatically pushed it to it. But that is the GoPro app there. And we also got the sports kit. Now the sports kit is on sale right now, and it does cost, I think it's like $80. It's like 30% off or something, or 50% off, because I paid like 50 bucks for it. And you do get the chest plate, which I like. So you can use it for skiing, snowboarding, mountain biking, or you can put it on your handlebars, which is great. And it also comes in this nice deluxe carrying case. So I guess we have to rip this open so we can get it out. Bam, bam, bam. Get this out of my face. And it comes in this nice carrying pouch. So you have your GoPro 9 carrying pouch and your sports kids carrying pouch. And let's see what's inside. Ow, 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 that hurt. So you have some mesh pockets here with the zipper for extra accessories, so you can actually carry other stuff there. Now here we have the handlebar mounting kit. So this is very high quality. Usually, if you can tell the quality between these GoPro mounts and the ones you get from like Amazon or eBay. These probably are going to be better quality. I always recommend these, but those ain't bad either. But don't be complaining if your GoPro flies away while you're doing tricks or something like that. But you also get these mounts as well here, and you have these rubber things here in case you have thicker bars or less thicker bars. This actually accommodates those bars, so you can see the rubber coating in here. Let's go ahead and put that back in here. We'll be utilizing this, and we have the self unbuckle it, but basically you put the GoPro here and kind of straps to your chest, so while you're roaming around filming, doing fun stuff, this is going to capture that view, almost like a POV view. You do see your hands, the handlebars, if you have it on a mountain bike, so it's pretty cool. So there you got it, guys. So there you have it, guys. This is the sports kit from GoPro with carrying pouch and the GoPro Hero 9. A total price for everything was $400, as I mentioned earlier. This was on sale for like $50. This was on sale for $350. Combined, 400 bucks. Not a bad deal. I'm excited. And with that, let's go ahead and take a quick look at the GoPro camera. And with that, let's go ahead and close this out by switching over to the GoPro camera and check out a quick quality video sample of it. Let's go ahead and power this bad boy. Let's flip it around. Oh, look at that. Look at this mug. So give you a quick selfie sample. Now this is 1080p, but as you can see, took a fall, busted my ass off. But this is what the camera is gonna be for. So when I do fall, you guys get to see what I go through. Now, thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. Make sure if I start another YouTube channel, a mountain bike YouTube channel with my son, make sure you go over there and subscribe. I will be letting you guys know if I do that. In fact, make sure you follow me on my social media, Twitter, Instagram, Facebook, so you know if I do start that YouTube mountain bike channel. Thanks for watching again, guys, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace.